Ampisu is the first lab-grade power supply that fits in your pocket. 2 programmable channels plus 1 auxiliary channel, all powered from your laptop's USB port. The channels are fully isolated, allowing you to put them in series and protecting your computer from damage if things go wrong. Sometimes your bench may already be full with instruments and cool projects. Sometimes you take your projects with you when you travel. And sometimes you have to travel to get to your projects. When you need a reliable, safe power supply on the go, Ampisu is there for you. Just plug it into your laptop and access the intuitive web interface, no drivers required. This allows you to bring up new PCBs with confidence, set current limits with milliamp accuracy and rely on microsecond fast protection to keep your circuit safe. With 3 fully isolated channels, you can generate every positive and negative voltage your project needs, from motor control to analog amplifiers, all while keeping your computer's hardware 100% protected. Ready for automated testing? Use the Python API to log voltage and current or script complex test functions with ease. Power your next big idea anywhere. Support our campaign today and get your Ampisu at crowdsupply.com.